Hi, hello. Today I would like to make a open box review for this battery power soldering iron. The brand is Inegco, if I pronounce correctly. Okay, this I got it nearby hardware store. I pay around $21. Okay, now I going to do a testing. Okay, so this is a brand new unit, so I haven't opened yet. Okay, the unit come with the soldering iron itself and this battery adapter here, but battery is not included. Before that, I already have a battery because I have a 20 volt tool, so I have a battery and I have a charger. So okay, so I'm going to use this battery and here and have a stand. So it's good because currently I don't have any stand for soldering iron. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, according to the manual, they say that the preheat time will be 3 to 5 minutes. So this is first time you see it, so see how. Okay, there is a buckle attachment here, so I think we can put it at our waistline belt. There's an on-off switch here. Okay, so I'm going to install the battery. Okay, my battery is already charged and almost fully charged. Okay, not bad. It's 60% charge. Okay, then I need to, okay, it's on. The light is already on. Okay, off. Can see the indicator light here. Is on. Is off. Is now on. Okay. So the soldering iron is rated is 40 watt. 40 watt. So it's quite powerful. Okay. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to make a repair wire on this AC wire for the household. Okay, this is standard AC wire. So okay, so I'm going to use the soda lid here and the grease. Okay, so meanwhile I transfer all the grease into the small container because the original container is hard to open. Okay, okay, now I can see that that's smoke coming out, so that means that it's heating up. So let's check. Take a look. I put grease here. Yeah, yeah, it's ready now. So it's a good practice to put the grease to the spot you're going to solder. Yeah. Right. Okay. Then just make a zoom in so you can see a little bit more clear on the point. All right. Okay. Okay. Now good to go. Okay. Right. So I put here. I start on the ground wire. Mm, okay. I think the tip is not hot enough yet. Okay, the temperature is still not hot enough, I think. Yeah. So what he say, 3 to 5 minutes is quite correct. Yeah. Okay. 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 The joint is not bad actually. Yeah. Uh, so the joint is quite nice and quite usable. Okay. So I need to carry on to another joint here. Okay. 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 So the joint is actually not bad. Okay. So trying the last one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Actually not bad. Okay. So I've done. I need to put the heat shrink here. Check whether still can I put the heat shrink or not. So so I heat up a little bit stronger so the heat shrink being shrink, I think. Yeah. So next time I need to be careful about the heat shrink, or I better use the bigger one, bigger heat shrink, right? So overall is not bad. This soldering iron is not disappointing us, right? Thanks for watching. Hi, now I'm going to use a smaller wire. Okay, smaller wire and see how how it goes. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect here. Okay. So what I found that wire too big is quite just nice. It's not so good for the smaller wire. It's no problem. Yeah, it's perfect. So I can put a heat shrink here and okay. Just use this one to make the heat shrink to shrink. Actually, I should use the hot gun, but I a bit lazy to go and get a hot gun, so I try to use this. So okay, it's not bad. Okay, yeah, it's quite good. Okay, so it's very usable for the field usage. So the place is not don't have any electricity, or the electricity is not available or whatever. So this soldering iron is quite uh, okay for me. Thanks for watching.